Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I like to explain what multiplication and division are, using the most simplest calculations similar to what we did for addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division are more complicated than addition and subtraction, even for the most simplest numbers. But they do utilize addition and subtraction. In particular, multiplication is specifically defined as you add a number by itself by the multiplication written out. For example, 1 times 2 equals 1 plus 1 exactly 2 times. So you often hear multiplication referred to as repeated addition because that is what it is defined as. Division is more complicated than simple repeated subtraction. Because, for example, with 15 divided by 3, you have to stop and actively ask yourself what number multiplied by itself 3 times gives you 15, instead of mindlessly following a formula/algorithm like you can for multiplication. And many times when you do division, you will not get a neat number as an answer, but instead will get messy answers that are called fractions or decimals, which I will discuss in later tutorial videos. So division can be thought of as splitting something into a specified amount, just like you might hear divide used in other contexts. Now that I've explained what multiplication and division are defined as, I will teach the most basic types of fractions in the next tutorial video, as they are often important when you do problems involving division, as mentioned briefly earlier. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.